Hi, Jerry here. I want to tell you about our product, Reclaim Weatherwood. It's really a product that appeals to people who value authenticity. Reclaim Weatherwood is made from materials that we find or that are found in nature, components of buildings, barns, fences, and so forth. All of the weathering patina on it is original. It's exactly how we found it. You're going to get the knots, any nail holes or any marks from its use, so you're going to get the colors, these grays, some a little brown. The cool thing about that is this particular look is really timeless. It's a look that works with anything. It can be used in a very rustic environment. It can be used in a very modern environment. The key here is what you're getting is you're just getting nature, bringing nature into your house. And by doing that, you always impart that history and that comfort that comes from having an authentic material surrounding you versus something that's fake. So it's not good enough that it's just a beautiful material. We have a saying around here, it's sort of authentic, innovative, and cool. The innovative part is that we are the inventor of this thin plank, peel and stick, real reclaimed wood product. For you, it's all about a combination of things. One is ease of use. When we're working around the things like outlets and doors and windows and trim, well, that thinness just allows it to kind of butt up to those things. Very easy to cut. You can cut it with a box knife or a little saw. That ease in turn, along with the peel and stick installation method, it's about your time, right? And we think your time is super important. Unlike a lot of DIY projects, there's not a lot of mess. It goes very quickly. A typical wall is maybe a half a day, a full day at the most. We also know that there's other things that are important, for instance, sustainability. One of the things that we do is we have our wood certified both with Forest Stewardship Council or FSC, which is the gold standard in certification for wood, and then also for indoor air quality, the wood is certified to gold standard. What it means is there's just no off-gassing, nothing coming off the wood. The wood has been tested. We know that it's something that's safe for you and your family. The other thing about it is we manufacture it right here in Michigan, here in the US. We're very proud of that, and we're proud of our people who work together to produce this product. We take a lot of pride and we put a lot of effort into making sure that we provide stellar service. If you have any requests before, during, after, that you want to know about anything, reach out to us. We'll get back to you quickly. We'll make sure that you're taken care of. You're not just buying a plank of wood from us, you're also getting the entire company and our service behind it, and we stand behind that.